Okay guys, this is your boy Najo. I want to show you guys something, okay? Because I got this from a shop. Now, what you can do with this, oops, I'm doing it wrong. It's a fragrance. But what you can actually do, if you look in here, you can actually top it up. Instead of me carrying this, now I bought this a few months ago. And I didn't know that what I can do is, I think I can take this off somehow. Take this off. And I can actually top it up. So what I do is I take this off. And hopefully this will work. I start, then if you can see that, what I'm doing is I'm pumping my own fragrance inside, which is really good. So let me fill it up some more. Now I got this, guys, at the what shop did I get it from again? The fragrance shop. So it's pretty good. So once that's done, I just put it back in here, put that back on top. Still works. And wherever I go, I can just spray myself. Get me? So yeah, it's really good. So guys, I really would recommend this. They have it for guys and females as well, but this is just brilliant. This really is brilliant. And I think what I'm going to do, because I've also got more, so I've got this one that I haven't even opened yet. I've also got this one. So if I wanted to, I could top it up with this one. Can I top up this one? I don't know if this can come off. Can it come off? Oh, that's a shame if it can't come off. Nah, that can't come off. Let me see if this one can. Ooh, this one can. So I can just do the same thing again if I wanted to, and mix it. So I can put different ones in there. If you can see that, I'm literally pumping the fragrance in. I wonder how that's going to smell. That smells really nice. And already, guys, I've made my own fragrance, in a sense. That smells really nice. It really does smell nice.
Close that door. Oh, it just pooed in there. Look, you can see that little bit of poo.
Oh, Mum, it pooed in there.
Yeah,
look.
I was nervous. Hey, Mummy, please shut the door because it might fly back in. Jay, please. You're gonna fly in the house. They're not that stupid.
It pooed bare times, you know. Oh, it's stuck.
Lady outside.
Oh my god.
You try and make it go. You know, with the bat, lightly.
Oh my goodness, guys.
That's a good idea.
This bird.
Yeah, it's here. It might just need
A bird got caught in the chimney, so we put it in the box.
Yeah, it's literally stuck there.
Yeah, it's stuck at the top.
There. Yeah. So just imagine if you didn't tie it. We could untie.
Imagine if we hit it.
Go on then. Not towards you, Jay, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, why we just... It didn't work when you hanged it upside down, did it?
I can't find my knot.
Should we get stuck by its leg?
Its beak, maybe.
At least we got the beak.
That was very good, isn't it? See?
There we go.
It's out.
It's coming. There it is. Look.
There it is.
Fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru.